Have you ever used an AI tool and wondered if you're using it well or just accepting whatever it gives you? AI is no longer confined to labs or sci-fi movies. It is embedded in everyday tools, from writing assistants and chatbots to AI agents, workflow automation, and data analysis. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video we will explain what AI fluency means, why it matters, and how to build it responsibly and effectively. We will cover core ideas, practical safeguards, and habits you can start using today. Let's jump right in. AI is everywhere, but using it does not automatically mean we understand it. That is where AI fluency comes in, and it is quickly becoming a must-have skill beyond developers or data scientists. Educators, marketers, product teams, HR professionals, and anyone who works with digital tools can benefit from it. AI fluency is the ability to understand, evaluate, and work with AI systems effectively and responsibly without being a programmer or machine learning expert. Think of it like language fluency. You do not need to study linguistics to speak well, but you do need context, intent, limitations, and nuance. And AI fluency works the same way. An AI fluent person can explain at a high level how AI tools generate outputs. They ask better questions and write better prompts. They recognize limitations and risks. They apply AI to real tasks thoughtfully, and they decide when to use AI and when not to. AI fluency sits between basic awareness and technical expertise, bridging the gap between I tried a chatbot once and I build models. AI fluency matters because easier tools are not foolproof. Without it, people can misuse AI, overtrust outputs, or apply it incorrectly or in ways that create new problems. First, AI is becoming a workplace standard. It already supports daily work like drafting emails, analyzing feedback, routing support tickets, generating content, and summarizing documents. Teams that use AI well can move faster and make better decisions, while teams that do not can fall behind or reduce quality by leaning on AI the wrong way. Second, fluency leads to better results. AI output depends on the input and context you provide. AI fluent users use clearer prompts, add constraints and examples, and evaluate results critically, which makes the outcome more accurate, relevant, and useful. Third, fluency reduces risk and misuse. AI can confidently produce incorrect, biased, or outdated information. Fluency helps you spot when an output needs verification, human review, or correction, especially in sensitive areas like education, hiring, healthcare, or legal workflows. Fourth, fluency supports responsible and ethical use. When you understand limitations, data dependencies, and potential bias, you are better prepared to use AI transparently, fairly, and accountably. AI fluency is not only about efficiency, it is also about responsibility, so organizations need clear guidelines. Here are practical ways to implement responsible AI practices. Set clear use cases. A common mistake is adopting AI tools without defining where they should and should not be used. Identify tasks where AI can save time or reduce manual work, and areas where human expertise, empathy, and accountability are essential. For example, AI can draft content or suggest variations, but humans should review and approve the final version. AI can summarize survey responses or support tickets, but decisions based on that data should remain human-led. Clear use cases prevent over-reliance and inappropriate use, and they help teams use AI with confidence. Prioritize transparency. When AI interacts with users, customers, or employees, people should know AI is involved, whether it is a chatbot, a summary, or a recommendation. Transparency builds trust and sets expectations, so users interpret responses appropriately and avoid assuming the output is definitive. Internally, transparency also makes it easier to audit decisions and improve systems over time. Protect data and privacy. Avoid sensitive or personal data unless it is absolutely necessary. Understand how tools store, process, and retain data. Follow internal policies and regulations such as GDPR or other regional privacy laws. Be especially cautious with personally identifiable information, financial data, health-related data, and internal records. AI fluency includes knowing what should never be entered into an AI system. Keep humans in the loop. AI works best as support, not as a replacement for human decision-making. Review AI outputs before publishing or acting. Allow humans to override or adjust recommendations. Use AI as a decision support rather than a decision maker. Oversight is especially important in hiring and performance evaluation, education and assessment, customer support escalation, and policy, legal, or financial decisions. With humans involved, organizations reduce errors, bias, and unintended consequences while still benefiting from efficiency. Encourage ongoing review and learning. Tools evolve quickly, and guidelines should evolve too. Regularly review how AI is used, gather feedback from users and stakeholders, and update policies as capabilities change. Open discussion about what is working and what needs adjustment supports responsible experimentation rather than unchecked automation. Now, how do you improve AI fluency? It develops through exposure, practice, and reflection. Experiment with real use cases. Instead of abstract tests, integrate AI into your actual workflow, especially tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or exploratory. Many people start with drafting outlines, summarizing documents, generating ideas, or reviewing qualitative feedback. As you experiment, watch how the AI responds. Small changes in phrasing, added context, or clearer instructions can produce very different results. Over time, this hands-on practice shows what AI does well, where it struggles, and how much guidance it needs. Learn the basics of how AI works. You do not need deep theory, but a simple mental model helps. AI tools do not think like humans. They generate responses by finding patterns in large training data and predicting what comes next. Because outputs are not guaranteed facts, you can evaluate responses more critically and avoid overtrust, especially in complex or sensitive situations. Practice prompting and iteration. Clear prompts lead to clearer results, but clarity usually comes through iteration. Provide context, specify your goal, and refine your request step by step. Describing the audience, tone, and format you want often changes the outcome. Treat AI like a collaborative process, not a one-time command. Reflect on outputs critically. Review AI-generated content with the same care you would apply to a colleague's draft. Ask if it fits the context, what might be missing, and whether assumptions or bias appear. This helps prevent errors and reinforces that AI supports human judgment rather than replacing it. Make AI a consistent part of your workflow. Fluency grows faster when AI is a regular, intentional tool. Using it at similar stages, like brainstorming or early drafting, helps build familiarity, reuse effective prompts, and develop best practices, while still avoiding blind reliance. Learn from mistakes and unexpected results. Those insights add up and strengthen long-term fluency. AI fluency is a long-term skill that will keep mattering as AI becomes more embedded in work and daily life. The most successful people and organizations will not be the ones who use AI the most, but the ones who use it thoughtfully, critically, and responsibly. By developing AI fluency, you build the ability to adapt, evaluate, and collaborate with technology for better outcomes, today and in the future. Thank you for watching today. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.